Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to see if this 200,000 horsepower RC car can pull this 10,000 ton trash can. So to start out with, we're going to see if we can pull this trash can that's kind of empty. And if we can pull that, we're going to see if we can pull this recycling bin, which is kind of loaded with stuff. Okay, y'all, this is pretty insane. It's not bottoming out all the way because I put it like a piece of something in there. So it can kind of like, it's not going to completely bottom out. So, you know, it's not really hitting the tires. By the way, the rear diff is JB-welded, so I don't know if we're going to break that or not. Might need to put it in low range to start out with. There we go. Alright, so I'm not going to bother filming with this one because, you know, it's a lot more heavier. I don't think it'll pull it though. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, click on the buttons on YouTube say to click. If you didn't like this video, click on thumbs down twice. And y'all should see me in the next one.